Hello. In this tutorial, we will explain how to find out if the book you've requested is ready for pickup. Find user accounts among the quick links on the right side of our library homepage. Then choose User Accounts for the Göttingen University catalogue. Provide your user number that you find on the back side of your student or university ID or your library card and your password. Go to the tab Loans in your account. There you will find the items you've lent, requested, and those ready for pickup. Items with the status requested cannot be collected yet. Items with the status ready for pickup can be collected at the pickup location you've chosen earlier. Please note that you will not receive any email notification when the book is available to collect. Requested items must be collected at the pickup location within 7 days. Remember to log out of your library account after the session to prevent potential misuse. Should you have questions or require further assistance, please feel free to contact us.